Look. Get your daughter back in the van.
Let's go.
Hey, JoJo.
This is amazing.
Jordan, why are you so cute?
What have you done? You are so pretty.
We hold each other. Ooh. Light up the darkness, light up the night, light up the world, raise your voices to the sky. It takes a spark for this fire to ignite. Only love can save us all tonight. Only love.
Sunshine Nation, we are so glad you're here with us. Thank you for being here through all these crazy sport videos. It has been an exciting time around here and we love your support. We have a lot more coming tomorrow and Monday and Tuesday. It's been crazy and fun and amazing and we love sharing life with you. I wanted today show you a few moments of just pure sweetness that lifted our hearts and made us smile. So we have little thoughtful things people did for us, things that Tyson did, fan mail. You guys, Sunshine Nation, why are you so amazing? You're so thoughtful and wonderful. So, thank you, and we love you.
I heard a knock on the door, I went to check out the door, and you have to see what somebody left.
All of these awesome notes.
I love that one. And that is awesome. Scatter sunshine.
No rain, no flowers. And then little notes of sunshine. All of these little notes they brought.
And they did the whole door. Believe in what you prayed for. He drowns our fear in perfect love. I love this one. If we love each other, God lives in us. Good things take time, great things take eternity. Be the reason someone smiles today. This just made our day. They spread sunshine to us. Take some time to spread sunshine to someone else. Go out there and do something special, say something nice to someone, leave them a note. You don't have to do as much as they did, even to just smile and say hi to someone that needs it. Give a compliment to someone who needs lifting up. And be nice to your sibling or your parents. Help your mom by washing your dishes without being asked or cleaning your room without being asked. Do something good today. Spread sunshine.
Hey, what you doing? Step away from the vehicle.
I feel like
Step away from the vehicle, young lady.
I feel like you're doing something that I thought like I was gonna do a month ago.
So we are cleaning the windows. Now she's scrubbing the car. Get her back in the. Get your daughter back in the van.
Let's go. We got to
You
go.
need to lift her up. Get your daughter in the van.
Go.
Hey JJ, you trying to be like Samira?
Yeah.
All right, JJ, it's time to go, man. The car has been started. Let's go, baby. Look at our door.
Like sunshine.
Oh.
A powerful face for God. Force for good. He knows the way because he is the way. Dear Heavenly Father. Oh, wait, there's one on top.
Choose the right.
If we love each other, God lives in us.
That's beautiful.
That is beautiful to me.
Oh,
Ooh,
beautiful.
Can we keep these? Look.
Yeah, we can keep them.
Little like people drawing people. We took all this time to do this.
To make us feel loved.
I wonder who it is.
And then come all the way to our house because we're not near anybody.
I know, we live far away from everybody. Do you know who it was?
We are.
No.
Should we tell him?
Yeah.
Dad told me earlier today.
Who?
Do you want to tell him, Mariah?
Yeah.
Tell him.
It's the sister missionaries.
What?
The missionaries did it.
Thank you, Sister Missionary. Sister Missionary.
Making us feel
taken a long
loved.
time. All the missionaries are always busy, and they took the time to write a letter for each thing.
Let's go. So sweet. What a wonderful thing to come home to. That's a blessing, huh?
And we come home to dinner.
We're hungry, yeah.
Yeah.
Tyson, my little football star. What have you done?
So when
What have you done?
we were calling Jackson earlier, and he was saying that I need to do something nice for Mom and like get her food or something, or like Texas Roadhouse or Chick-fil-A stuff. So then I went and I was like, dang, I should get her something. I need to be nice, like Jackson was. And then I went and I got her some Chick-fil-A because that's my mom's favorite stuff, I think. I think so.
You just spoiled me.
I asked Dad what you like, so he told me that you like
He did? He knew you were doing that?
the spicy chicken thing or whatever.
Wait, you got a sandwich and nuggets and fries?
Yes.
And a shake? What the heck? There are fries. There are chicken nuggets. Is that what that is? And there's a, whoa, like a legit sandwich. What the heck? Spicy deluxe with pepper jack? Holy cow.
That's what Dad told me that you like.
I never get like fancy stuff, man. Holy cow. No way, with the tomato and the lettuce. Why are you so sweet?
Well, I know you love
And
tomatoes.
shake.
And
I know, your brother's sweet.
You love guacamole.
Are you gonna be like Tyson when you're his age?
Well, I have a little bit of money. I think I can spend a shake on that.
Guys, little angel right here. Time to say goodbye to another sister missionary. Sister Beitendorf, where are you headed?
Lake Emma.
And you've been here for 7 months. That's a long time.
We hold each other. We hold each other. Ooh.
Man, who knew? All the planes he flew, good things he'd been through. And I'd be standing right here talking to you about another path. Who knew he loved to hit the road and laugh?
Wow.
Something told me that it wouldn't last. Had to switch up, look at things different, see the bigger picture. Those were the days, hard work forever pays. And now I see you in a better place. See you in a better place.
Everything that I did, you were standing there by my side. And now you can be with me for the last ride. Why is everything so heavy? Holding on.
You're holding your hand too long, Tyson. You're like, okay, that's enough.
All right, sister.
Thank you, Brother Mills.
Be good. Take care of yourself. Yeah.
It's always hard to say goodbye. And Sister Enfield will be here longer.
Bye. Spread the love of Christ.
Love you
Love
guys.
you. Thank you again for making us feel so loved. We don't want to take any of them off.
What's up, you guys? So check this out. We want to end this video off right. We love when we get mail from Sunshine Nation. What do you guys think?
Yes. I love you guys.
If you guys want to send us a piece of mail, want to send us a card, whatever it is that you want to send us, you want to send us some of your art or anything like that, we would love to take it. Send it to the P.O. box that is in the description below.
You want to send that's your breakfast you made that you think is really good and you want us to taste it.
Make sure you send it with the proper packaging in the freeze dried in a cooler.
Yeah.
You are so silly. Don't send us your breakfast. Don't do it. Don't listen to Tyson. Thank you, Rachel, who's a member of our VIP club. We love you. We love talking to you on Sundays. Thank you for the birthday card. I never got a chance to thank you. Your card made me smile, and we love you.
Abby, we used to live in Michigan too. We used to live in Kalamazoo, Michigan. And thank you so much for telling us that you have faith in God, just like us. We love you.
Kamani, thank you for all of the letters you sent us. That's really awesome. And I heard you had a crush on somebody.
Hey, JoJo!
Hey. Thank you, Kamani.
Thank you so much, Abby. You're so awesome. We get to talk to you every Sunday on our VIP calls. And this was such a sweet letter because you wrote what you liked about all of us. And we love you. Thank you so much for the letter.
You're awesome, Abby.
Love you, Abby.
Love you. Thank you so much, Milena. Look at all these awesome pictures. And
Yes.
look at her and her little dog.
Your picture is so adorable.
They're so cute.
looks so amazing.
Bro,
I'm gonna get
you are a little
getting
artist.
two
I'm
of them.
sorry. This is amazing.
Look at that.
This
guys.
is
She's so
amazing.
talented. Good job, Milena.
Thank you so much.
It's so beautiful.
Beautiful.
Look at cute Jayden's little face. Oh my gosh.
I
I
always
love it.
wanted to be.
This is amazing.
It is amazing. Thank you, Milena.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Milena.
And all the special letters for each person in each drawing is beyond amazing. And
Girl, you better
she may
take
or may not have a crush.
On who?
On you.
On me.
Jordan, why are you so cute, Jojo?
Jordan.
And I love that Abe and I are Nala and Simba. Hey, baby.
Thank you, Sadie, for this card. That's good writing. Thank you, Tyron, for this amazing card. Look at Mariah. That is good handwriting.
Thank you, Tyron. Thank you so much. I love your letter. You are super nice, and we love that you love God.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
Awesome.
Thank you so much for all these letters.
Thank you for all these
He did
cards.
pictures for each person, and that letter was seriously amazing.
Thanks for all the pictures, buddy.
Super awesome. Something else came in the mail from Tyron.
Oh, shoot.
Oh.
What have you done? Mini Starburst. Tyron, you're the man. Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
Hey! Thank you so much, Kennedy.
Kennedy, you're awesome.
You are so pretty. I'm just being honest. And you have an amazing family. You guys are so cute. And guys, she's a really good dancer too. I'm gonna let you know. Her dad sent us some of the TikTok dances she makes, and she's pretty good. I'm still trying to learn one of them for the VIP call.
I saw your dad sent me a TikTok dance, and I'm gonna have to try to learn it.
Oh, that's awesome.
you
Your
guys check
dad
this
sent
out.
it to you?
Yeah.
Look how cute their family is. Look at that adorable picture. Love it, love it, love it.
And
Yes.
Kennedy, you guys, she's not only part of our Sunshine Nation family, but she's also part of our VIP family.
Hey.
Kennedy, thank you so much. That
We
means
love you,
talk to her
Kennedy.
Once a week, almost every week, right? And so she's really cool and really awesome. And thank you so much for taking the time to write letters to each one of us.
Yes,
You're
sir.
so awesome, amazing.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so
We
much.
love you, Kennedy.
Love you, Kennedy.
You're the sweetest. You guys, we just received one more package in the mail today.
Yes.
Yeah, you guys, this is from Marcus from Hawaii, all the way from Hawaii. He sent us some gifts. Marcus, thank you so much.
And why are we going to Hawaii in 2022?
Jackson's moving there.
Yes.
Yeah, Jackson will be there.
Hawaii for college.
So Marcus, thank you so much.
Thank
you so much for being a part of Sunshine Nation. You rock.
Gosh, Marcus, that is some good
So let's take a
rapping.
look and
That
see.
is
Can't wait to see.
This is for you, Rachel, and for Juliana, for Mariah, and the other one's for Jayla.
Oh, are you serious for the girls?
Yep. Bracelets.
Necklace.
A necklace.
That looks like Juliana.
That is so
Sweet.
Thank you so much, Marcus.
Thank you.
Or as they
Thank
say,
you.
or as they say in Hawaii, mahalo.
What does mahalo mean?
Thank you.
Mahalo.
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 Oh,
Thank
these
you.
are earrings.
Oh no, wait! I
All
remember.
did earring. All did the bracelet.
Aloha.
It means hello.
That means hello.
Aloha.
Straight from Hawaii.
Thank you, Marcus.
Thank you, Marcus.
Thank you.
Thank you so much,
you so
everybody,
much.
for joining us today for fan mail. We have our P.O. Box number down in the description. Thank you guys for coming with us today.
Check this out, guys. If you're not officially part of Sunshine Nation, let's make it official and go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click notifications so you guys can see all of our videos. We love you guys. We couldn't do this without you.
And if you want to join the VIP club, what do they have to do?
Go to sunshinemafia.com and all the instructions are right there. We'll see you there if we see you there.
We love you.
Guys, we love you. And remember, always spread sunshine.
You guys, find a way to make someone else smile today. Find a way to make them happy and know that you are loved. Spread sunshine. We love you.